Hello guys and girls, Michael here from the I Will Succeed channel. Today's video will be about financial independence, what I personally think about it, and at the end of this video I will be showing you the exact strategy that I will be following throughout this year. So it will be beneficial for you, in my opinion, to stay till the end of this video. So let's move on. First of all, what financial independence is and how to achieve it? Well, many people have this misbelief that you have to be a millionaire or a super rich person to achieve this state, but this is just not true. Becoming financially free is pretty much straightforward. You just have to follow a framework or a formula, but at the same time it is difficult and hard because you have to sacrifice something to achieve your goal. And what's my personal definition of becoming financially free? Well, in my opinion, you become financially independent when your expenses are being covered with your passive income. And we will get to that, how you create or develop these passive income streams. More important question is, do you know what are your expenses? Because this is your first step to financial independence. You must track your finances. So this is the first step. So by tracking your finances, you will know what's your cash flow. And cash flow is very important, guys, in any kind of business, but also in personal finance, and it is really easy to calculate. You just have to deduct your expenses from your income, and this is equal to your savings. So basically, income, that's cash in, the money that comes to your wallet. Your expenses are cash out, so money that leaves your wallet, and this is equal to your cash flow, so your savings. This is really important to know, I mean that number, but thank to God it is really easy to do. And like now you may think that, oh, this guy is an affiliate marketer, he will recommend us as some kind of expensive tool. But you don't need any of these paid tools, because personally I'm using an Excel sheet, and if you are old school you can use pen and notebook. And this is why I've told you that personal finance is more about your willpower than information, because writing down your expenses every single day takes about 10 or 20 minutes from your free time, so it can be challenging for some people, and it takes discipline to do this every single day. So an example of this calculation would be, for example, if you make $4,000 a month and your expenses are, let's say, $3,000, then your savings are equal to 25% from your income, and you should save at least 10% from your income. So if you look at this example, you should save at least $400. And now let's look at what to do when you can't hit those 10%. Well, then you may have an expense problem or an income problem. So as I told you, personal finance is really easy, and you just have to follow some logical steps. So just look at your expenses and highlight those that you can lead out with. So let's say you don't have to eat in restaurants, you don't have to buy t-shirts every week, so write these expenses off and your savings will grow up. If you still can hit those 10%, well, then you may have an income problem, but you can solve this problem too really easily in this internet era where you can make money from your laptop. Basically it is quite easy, and I wrote an article about my recommended 14 side jobs that you can do from home. If you are interested, go to my blog and read this article. So the second and the third step are all about safety. The second step is about paying off your bad debt, and I would highly suggest you to pay off all your loans that has more than 5% interest on it. This will help you to grow a lot faster because you can save more money and hence you can invest more money to your businesses or other passive income streams. Let's take a quick look how to eliminate your bad debt. Write down your loans to some piece of paper or to your Excel sheet and look at the interest rate on them. I would recommend you to target the loan with the highest interest rate first, and when you pay it off, then you can move to another. With this strategy you can eliminate your bad debt in no time. You just have to be disciplined. As I told you previously, personal finance is more about willpower and motivation and not about knowledge. When you succeeded and you paid off all your bad debt, you can move to the third step. And the third step to financial independence is creating your financial buffer. So, emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is really important, guys, because it is a buffer between you and the world out there. Bad things happen to everyone. Rich people are only prepared to them. So you should be too. And how much money should I have in my emergency fund? That's the most common question. And the answer is that you should have 3 months worth of income at least. So if we take our example of $4,000 amount, you should have $12,000 in your emergency fund. Please don't skip these 3 steps before you start the business, because I know that many guys are starting a business even though they have a lot of loans and they don't have a buffer. You have a much better success rate when you do these 3 steps, and I call them cornerstones of financial freedom or financial independence. So these are the fundamentals, and now we can move to the more interesting part of this video, which is basically how to grow your passive income stream. According to Robert Kiyosaki, we have 4 main asset classes. First are businesses, the second real estate, the third are paper assets, and the last one are commodities and precious metals. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, you don't have to be a millionaire or a business owner. You can totally work at your 9-to-5 job and reinvest all your savings into passive income streams like dividend paying stocks. But let's be honest, guys, the fastest way for you to become financially free is to start an online business. Starting an online business takes a lot of time, effort from the start, and of course a little bit of money. But once you set it up properly, you can almost automate everything, and thus this asset becomes your passive income stream. Please, guys, don't overlook the word almost. Completely passive income stream is non-existent. You will always have to invest some time into analyzing your results, tweaking some areas to increase your profit or boost your revenue. This applies to every asset class. None of them are completely passive. So creating a passive income stream usually takes more effort and work from the start than starting an active income stream. But once you automate the process, it will require only few hours a week from your time to manage the softwares or the staff. So we came to the last step of how to become financially independent. Or actually, let me say how to stay financially independent. And it's seeking out financial education every single day. I like the saying, guys, don't stop learning because life never stops teaching. And this is actually more true when we are talking about the internet. Internet changes every single day. For example, companies like Facebook and Google changes their algorithm a few times a year. So if you stop learning, you will fall behind, and you don't want that. So try to read every day, try to watch YouTube videos, try to apply to new courses or take on new coaching programs. So don't stop learning, guys. So we came to the end of this video, so let's do a quick recap. To become financially independent, you have to track your finances to calculate your cash flows. You must know what are your expenses and how much you can save every single month. The second step is paying off your bad debt, so every debt that has more than 5% interest on it. The third step is creating your financial buffer. The fourth step is growing your savings, and you can do it by investing into 4 main asset classes. And the last step is seeking out financial education, so you must grow every single day. That's it, guys. As you see, these are easy to follow steps that anyone can do. But sadly, it's only a theory. When you go out into a real world, you will always run into some issues, problems that can wipe out your motivation very easily. So before you even get started with these steps, you need to set up your financial goal and also plan how to achieve your goal. For example, my financial goal is to make $120,000 in net profit, so I'm not talking about the revenue, guys, till the end of this year. That's basically a passive income stream that's generating more than 10k a month. You must be very specific when you are making your financial plan and goals. This will help you to stay on track. What's my business plan to achieve this goal? I will start an affiliate marketing business, which is in my opinion the easiest way how to start to make money online. Affiliate marketing is basically when you are promoting other people's products, so you don't have to create your own product, and if someone buys through you, so through your affiliate link, you will get a piece from the sale, so you will get a commission. And if you are confused from this definition, don't worry, because I will be documenting my whole journey throughout the whole year. My plan is to gain enough data and funds for launching my own digital product in Q4, so this means in the end of this year. Also, I will be supporting my affiliate income with the coaching program as a side income to gain the required funds faster. Of course, we will go through my business plan more in depth in upcoming videos, and also I will show you how to create your own business plan in your industry or any niche. And that would be the end of this video, guys. If you found it valuable, give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to see my upcoming video. And also, if you want to learn more about this topic, so if you want to learn more about budgeting or strategies how to pay off your debt quicker, I wrote a bunch of blog posts like a long time ago, so the links will be in the description. And also I have some tools that can help you, like an Excel sheet for tracking your finances that I am using till these days. You don't need any paid app or software, so feel free to download it, so it is completely free. So yeah, guys, see you in the upcoming videos. Bye, have a nice day.